Sabadi. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Laos beef jerky. So I have a beef here, the beef, and then all my ingredient here. I have a garlic, lemongrass, black pepper, and oil. And this is fish sauce, okay, and this is chicken broth to get flavor, and this sauce. Okay, now first we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pour my beef here first. Okay, I'm going ahead and follow with my seasoning. Salt. The early one is chicken broth, and then this is fish sauce and the vegetable oil. The reason I put the vegetable oil is help hold the seasoning. Like when I put the lemongrass, if you don't put the vegetable oil, they kind of go everywhere. With the vegetable oil, is hold the ingredient together. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the. I think my cat cried. This is black pepper. Smack the black pepper first. I leave my cat outside, and I think he smelled my beef jerky maybe, and he wanna get in the house. Lemongrass. Okay, and then I follow with the garlic. On. Pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in the meat like that. Okay. I'm gonna work with my hand, so that way it's all the seasoning get together. I'm gonna cover it back up like that, and then I'm gonna put in refrigerator for 45 minutes before I put on my machine to dry. I cannot take it outside to dry at the sun today because it's in Texas it's winter time, so it's cold. Okay, I will do that in next 45 minutes. Okay, I have the meat in the refrigerator for 45 minutes after I'm seasoning, and I'm gonna use the dehydrator machine to dry. Like I say, it's a winter time in Texas. The weather is really cold, so we cannot take them outside and dry like in the sun like summertime. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the meat in like this and put in the machine, and they will dry and it tastes same thing when you deep fry them. Okay. Okay, lay it out. Okay, see, I have like so far I go ahead like lay them out like that, give them little space, you know, so the air can go through, and then I go ahead close it. It should be done about a couple hours. Okay, and then you flip. You know, the one to make sure like you put the switch the tray so they all like dry evenly. Okay. กินสิหลอดกินสิหลอดกินกับมักเล่นอันนี้มันแทบน้ำมันไปมันห้อนหรือยังคั้นแปลว่ามันเป็นฝดจังซี่แปลว่าได้แล้วอันนี้มันไม่แบมบูleave on the side. Let the oil kind of drain out a little bit. Then I come back, I'm gonna have the revert jerky. Go ahead, use the same oil. This one is perfect. You don't wanna like overcook this one because it's gonna be likeมันจะ dry and tough, okay?